All right, guys, welcome back to Blue Line Garage. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to change a cabin filter in a 2009 Volvo XC70. We're going to do this quick. I'm going to show you exactly how to get to it, and let's get to it. All right, guys, so what you want to do is you want to be on the passenger side, right underneath here. You got two screws, one here and one here, and you're going to need a T25 star bit right here. All right, so we're gonna take these two off and remove this cover. Okay, once you got the cover off, you're gonna disconnect this switch, well, not switch, but this plug right here. Put this off to the side. If you haven't done so already, you want to remove the floor carpet here. All right, let's go ahead and do that now. All right, and the cabin filter is right in here, so we're gonna pull this carpet back down. You gotta scoop it right underneath that. There we go. And that gives us access to the cabin filter right here. And then you're gonna have some tabs here. You're gonna pull it towards you. And that's gonna open up. There's actually 3 tabs, as you could see. Once you do that, the cabin filter is right in here. And then you wanna pull that out like so. And there you go. You pull it out. Look, this one's all dirty. I'm pretty happy I'm changing it out. And then you want to get the new one, slide that right through. All right, so now you get the new one and you want to slide it right back in the way you had it before. So let's go ahead and do that. And it is a little tight in here. All right, so once the cabin filter is in there, you'll put the cover back on there. Make sure it slides into those little slots, and it's almost like a hinge, and fold it back in, and it should snap close. Boom. Then push this back underneath. Boom. And then make sure you get your cover. Put the clip back on there. All right, make sure these tabs here slides into place so it doesn't kind of fall down on you. See, now it's hooked in there. Pop that up, and now just put your screws in, you're done. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you do like what you saw, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I have many how-to videos, car repairs, and I got multiple car projects. Go ahead, look through my channel, and I have some pretty good videos. Other than that, stay safe and peace out.